We have a round 2-station quick connector. Now we call it round just because of the manifold itself. There's 2 female quick connectors from the top, and there is 1 BSP female thread on the bottom. This is where your common pressure point goes. Now to take pressure off this port, I'm using a male BSP quick connector. Simply screw in. A bit of thread tape here will help it seal. And then I get a female quick connect off my pressure line to clip in. You can now split 1 pressure line into 2 corresponding lines. Pull back to release.